Old chooks have been living in this mobile tractor for a little while. It's time to build them a new home, somewhere to lay an egg. It's pretty straightforward sort of little project. We're going to convert that into a chook roosting box in the hen house. We've just got to ding it out a bit. There's a few dings and bingles there. Make a bit of access through here, a couple of little doors so they can get in and out, and work out a way of dividing it and then screwing it to the wall of the chook house. Step one, do a little bit of panel beating. Essential tools of the trade, a dolly and a hammer. This is all jammed up and doesn't work anymore, so we'll take it off. Hey! So I scrounged around for some plywood to do those dividers. Didn't have any. I've given it all away or recycled it all. So I'm going to use a bit of this aluminium sheeting here and cut it out of that. Now I've cut those out, I need to fold the edge so I've got some way of attaching it into there. I'm going to rivet it into place. So I've got to put a bend in the end of these. I've allowed 30 mils on each end for a bend. In the absence of a sheet bender, I'm going to make one out of this and just belt it down with a hammer. So now they're in place, I'm just going to drill through and pop a little rivet in to hold that in place. If you haven't got a rivet, you can use a little bolt or a screw even, you know. Just use what you got. There you go. They're riveted in, so they'll be held by those couple of rivets. Give some rigidity to the box. Now we've got those dividers in, we just need to cut some access holes so the chookies can get in and out of their nesting boxes. So Meg's going to draw that up. I'll cut it with an angle grinder. Sparks, danger.
70?
Something like that. Just a little lip on the bottom to retain all of the straw and the eggs and that sort of stuff. And also give me somewhere to screw in. Oh, look at that. Screwing on a little ledge here to sit the box on. Batten screws. Builder's best friend. So I'm just using these roofing screws to screw these in. That'll hold them on. I've got a couple across the bottom and a bunch up here on the top. And that'll hold that nice and steady, as you can see, and still allow the lid to close. And we can reach in and get the eggs for breakfast. They're new little laying boxes. All in situ, ready to go. Just going to throw a bit of straw in here and release the girls into their new home. See there, the new laying box on the outside of their pen, which means we don't have to go in to get the eggs now. We can just lift up that lid, access the eggs, and Bob's your uncle. Isn't it, Juno?
Ooh, eggs.